worked on electricity, use of electricity. These are used as an alternative to compressed gas cylinders, and these units can produce around 4 liters to 10 liters per minute. And there are larger devices which can even produce 25 liters of oxygen in a minute. An oxygen concentrator is advised for health conditions like asthma, COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. If there was a power button, there are multiple filters are present to filter the gap, and there is a humidifier bottle which will warm the oxygen and it will mix water with the oxygen. Compressors and capacitors are present to save, store and reduce the electrical energy. Cooling fan is present so that an optimal temperature is maintained. Now let's see how it works. Let's see the type of oxygen concentrators. There are two types of oxygen concentrators. One is stationary oxygen concentrator and the other is the portable one. Stationary, we know that we are going to use it at a bedside, and it weighs more. It's a larger device which weighs around 10 kg and it runs on electricity. Whereas the portable oxygen concentrators are small devices. These can be workable on a use of lithium-ion batteries, and they produce less oxygen than the stationary oxygen concentrators. Now let us see the principle which is applied. We know that this is the way it looks inside the oxygen concentrator. There are filters and the air is sucked into the concentrator through the filter. Then it is passing through the compressor, it passes through the compressor, and it forces the air to the compressor, and as the pressure increases, the air travels through different filters. The air is compressed with the first molecular seal. You can see a molecular first seabed, and it passes through the seabed, and as the nitrogen particles are larger than the oxygen molecules, they get trapped in the seabeds, and when it gets saturated with nitrogen, there will be walls which will switch and it will move to the second bed, and the compression starts working in the second seabed, and when it gets saturated, the pure oxygen, the air with pure oxygen moves to the, there will be a tank of collection, and from the tank it passes to the patient, and there will be a flow meter which controls the flow of oxygen to the patient. So this is about the working of the oxygen concentrator. Tank, we can say that oxygen. So we can see that the oxygen concentrator is working.